First, open a blank document. After that, click on the Font section. Set the font to be Times New Roman. Now click on the font size picker. Make sure you set the font size to 12. Following that, click on Format. Then click on Line and Paragraph Spacing. Following that, click on Double. Now click on File. After, click on Page Setup. Make sure all the margins are set to 1 inch. Next up, click on OK. Next, click on Insert. After, click on Page Numbers. Then, choose a desired format and click on it. Next up, double-click on the page number. Then, add your last name before the page number. Now start with the title, your full name, instructor's name, course title, and date, each on its own line, aligned left.